Daddy. Let's get you somewhere you can dry off. There you go. Aww. Here. There we go, you'll dry off. Here, get on my... There you go. Get your wings up. Alright, you'll dry off and be just fine. Y'all aren't even going to believe this. It's morning here. And I came back out and here is that dragonfly from last night. He's still here. I wonder if he's going to be okay. Oh. Oh. Oh no, kitten. You leave him alone. Oh, that's so special. He made it. Y'all saw him fly. All right, well, I'm going to keep checking on him. It's so cool.